Ever found a video in Spanish that you wanted to fully understand or share with a global audience? Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone learning the language, translating videos from Spanish doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, and even test it in real time using RecCloud's powerful Spanish translator. Video translation is more than just swapping words. You need accurate subtitles, proper context, and natural flow. Today, I'll demonstrate practical ways to translate videos from Spanish into English and other languages, while comparing some methods. By the end, you'll know which tool can save you the most time and deliver the best results. Traditionally, people use manual translation or subtitle editors. You upload your video, export subtitles, and hire a translator or copy-paste into Google Translate. But this method is slow, prone to errors, and definitely not scalable if you work with a lot of content. It's useful for small projects, but not ideal for creators or marketers who need speed. Some free online subtitle generators can translate Spanish videos, but here's the catch. They often limit length, don't handle complex audio, and can mess up timing. For professional results, you need something faster, more accurate, and flexible enough to handle multiple languages. This is where RecCloud's Spanish translator really shines. Let's test it out. First, I upload a sample Spanish video directly into RecCloud. Next, I select the target language. Let's pick English for this test. With just one click, RecCloud translates the audio and create dubbed subtitles instantly, maintaining context and flow.
So you can experience what products are available, how to shop, and yes, let's go.
Unlike many tools, RecCloud supports over 100 languages, keeps the original transcript for reference, and even allows instant sharing. That means creators, educators, and marketers can translate, repurpose, and distribute content globally in minutes, not hours. To recap, here's why RecCloud is a game changer for translating Spanish videos. Fast and accurate subtitle generation, instant translation into 100+ languages. Keeps transcripts aligned and easy to download. Perfect for content creators, marketers, and businesses looking to reach global audiences. So, whether you're repurposing Spanish videos for YouTube, creating bilingual marketing content, or just trying to learn, RecCloud gives you the tools to make video translation simple, fast, and professional. Don't waste hours with manual translation when one platform can handle it all. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what language you'd like to translate your videos into. And remember, check out the link in the description to try RecCloud's Spanish translator for yourself.